Welcome. Thank you for viewing my channel yet again. I've been told there's a little bit of updates here at Bankstown Hospital Development. I was told they're cutting down all the trees. We're just going to go inside and have a look to see what's true. See, there's a Bankstown tape right there next to the cars. Building a better New South Wales. Lights to change. Go green, cross over. We'll go down the car park adjacent to the children's centre, part of the Bankstown 8. So I have been told the Bankstown 8 will be relocating their children's centre as well. They don't know where, but that's where my wife works. They don't even know it's management right now. Here we go, lights have just changed. Here we go. Still blocking the path, and just sitting there. Little sideline on the left. The majority of the shops are there closed. They still just sit there. You're alright. You're alright. I'll go around. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Finishes shortly. Just go up around here and look. Children's Centre. So we'll go and have a look. Oh good, they've already got an excavator here. Staff car park. There's some trees there. Earmarked is up there, a tree cut down, a few more. Looks like when they cut the trees down they made it into wood chips. And there's two caterpillar excavators. And just over there some more trees. So that's a little bit of development for you guys. So keep watching. Thanks for watching. Again, give me a subscribe, stay tuned, and also comment and like and share.